Are you tired of struggling to improve your website's search engine rankings? Introducing Shineranker, the ultimate solution to all your SEO needs. What can you do with Shineranker? With Shine Audit, you can quickly and easily identify technical SEO issues and fix them with just a few clicks. Say goodbye to hours of tedious manual checking. Next is Traffic Checker. You can get a detailed analysis of your website's traffic and performance, giving you the insights you need to make informed decisions about your SEO strategy. Another tool is the Keyword Research feature. You can easily find the best keywords to target for your website, giving you a competitive edge in the search results. Project Dashboard. You can easily keep track of all your SEO projects and progress in one place, making it easy to stay organized and on top of your SEO efforts. Next is our Keywords Tracker. You can easily monitor your keyword rankings and adjust your strategy accordingly, helping you stay ahead of the competition. With our content editor with AI phrase generation, you can easily write effective and optimized content for your website, giving you an edge in the search results. Last but not the least, our lead list with widget. You can easily generate leads and conversions for your website, giving you the results you need to grow your business. Say goodbye to the frustration and confusion of SEO and hello to the power of Shineranker SEO tool. Visit shineranker.com to learn more and start your 10 days free trial today.